In this video, we finally saw a Bitcoin breakout, but the question is, where is Bitcoin heading to? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. And by the way, before we start this video, we actually have an Apple Watch SE giveaway. So make sure to check this one out. Super dali lang ng requirements ito. You just have to log in. You just have to create an account with Wix using my sign up link. Then trade at least $20 lang dito kay Wix. Super late lang na amount yan. $20, just roughly 1,000 pesos. And then of course, I will verify if talaga nag-trade kayo using sa Wix na affiliate ko. So yeah, make sure to check this one out. Make sure to also include your details kasi iko-contact ko kayo if nanalo kayo. And take note, konti pa lang yung nag-respond dito. So, more chance of winning talaga dito. So, make sure to check out this Apple Watch SE entry na giveaway. But anyway, let's now dive back to our video and let's look here with the Bitcoin price action. Finally, after weeks of waiting, diba, let's give you a recap. Itong pump and dump nito inside the ascending channel is what we've been monitoring, and finally we saw a breakout na nga dito. So traditionally, this is a bearish pattern to the downside, but ang update lang natin muna dito is our first target. First target is going to be around the 74,000 US dollars, so that is our first target. Then our next target is going to be the 70,000 US dollars. Now, there is another thing that you have to take note, which is the 200 moving average. In the hourly time frame, it is now acting as a resistance. So, we are now in a bearish scenario dito following this movement. Because as you can see, if you're going to look back in time, whenever now we are below the 200 moving average, we are bearish. So, right now, we are flipping bearish right now for the short term. And right now, pwede natin makita dito is somewhat like this na movement sa 200 moving average, and then usually ang mangyayari dyan is magbo-bounce siya back pabalik na 200 moving average, similar to what we have seen dito sa pump nito ni Bitcoin. Lagi siya bumabalik sa 200 moving average in a bull run, but in a bearish run that would act as a resistance. So if nagtahanap kayo ng magandang entry, 200 moving average is the good entry dito. But yeah, right now, looking at this in the other charts, ito yung iba pang potential target. You can also target 76,000 US dollars. Initially, that was my initial target, but right now I am moving to 74,000 US dollars as my next target dito. And right now, ang trade ko dito is currently up. Let me show you guys just quickly yung latest trade na yon. Kaka-post ko lang siya actually sa Facebook. And ito guys, currently I am now currently up 67% sa latest trade ko dito kay Wix. So make sure to trade this guys kay Wix, kasi kay Wix mas mura ang Bitcoin trading fees, hindi nyo kailangan ng KYC. So yun ang maganda sa Wix. And at the same time, may paraffle ako dito na Apple Watch giveaway. So make sure to check out those sign up links. And let's try to look at more chart. Of course, dito in the MACD, diba, just like what I told you guys, after ng previous bullish cross ng MACD, we saw a one last dump to the downside. So that is the similar thing na we are waiting for, a one last push to the downside before a bullish movement dito kay Bitcoin. So that is what we are now waiting for dito with the Bitcoin price action. But anyway, ayun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.